Okay, so for those of you in the Discord server, you've already I can't talk. You've already heard this microphone. This is the BaiFei Li V47. Um, and if anybody's been paying attention, you've probably seen the Microphone Assassin, Min's new video on the revised V47, the V47 Mark II, if you will. And one of the things that he mentions is that it would be really nice if they put a 47 style capsule into the microphone, as opposed to the 67 style that's in it as you get it stock. I am one of those people who has indeed modded the microphone, and I have some thoughts. This is the V47 with an RK47 from Mic Parts. There's plenty of good 47 options out there. I happen to have like 3 from Mic Parts just because I have done experiments with them in the past, but there's plenty of good options out there. Anyway, I wanted to pop in and give you guys an example of what this sounds like with a capsule that fits its namesake, V47 47 Capsule. I'm not going to do anything to this audio. You're going to hear it raw. It's not running through a preamp. It's not running through anything. I've picked up an ID4 just in case my my usual device goes down. I use a Zoom F3 because I love the idea of 32-bit. But just in case, I picked up an ID4. So yeah, this is what it sounds like in the old booth. This is still the old booth. It'll be the same booth, but it's the booth in the same location, which is not great. Next week, hopefully, we move into the new place. Should be an even cleaner sound. It's great in here. It's nice in here, but it should be an even cleaner sound next week. Anyway, thank you guys for listening. Hope you enjoyed it. It gives me a chance to mess with some camera stuff again. But yeah, this is what it sounds like. I think it's a good sound, and it's great value for money. Maybe not the Mic Parts capsule itself, because that's quite expensive relative to the microphone. But the microphone is a great place to start. See you guys next time.